Which one is easier, carrying or without carrying any addition? First one, we are trying to solve with carrying. It means 8 plus 9 is 17. We can write 7 carry 1. Now 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So we take 2 and carry 1. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Again carry 1. 8 plus 6 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. This is our summation which we are trying to solve by with carrying. What about if we want to solve this one without carrying? Like this one, we have to start from left. 6 plus 8 is 14. 3 plus 7 is 10. 4 plus 7 is 11. 8 plus 9 is 17. Just as usual summation. Now here is a 7. 1 and 1 it should be 2. 0 and 1 it's a 1. 4 plus 1 it's a 5 and 1. Look, the result are same. Now let me know your opinion, which one is easier. One more addition. Here is 8 plus 6. It will be 14, so carry 1. 5, 2, 1. It will be what? 7 plus 1 is 8. No carry. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry 1. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So what about if we are trying to solve this one without carry? 7 plus 6 is 13. 9 plus 2 is 11. 2 plus 7, 2 plus 5 is 7. So here is a 0 and 7. 8 plus 6 is 14. Right? Now we make addition. So here is a 4. 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1. This is our answer. Look, this is a same. So decision is your which one you like to prefer for your kids. Thank you.